Can you just bring your own round?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't go till I'm ready.
These stairs are a nightmare.
I tell you, I just hope this goes in your van.
Easy. How's that motor of yours?
Oh, I got rid of that one. I've just got a new Golf.
Yeah? How much does that set you back?
I'll see you later.
People need to relax, slow down and relax. I never see a pineapple and a grapefruit rush yet. I give you a mango and mandarin.
Why a nice-looking fella like you hasn't got a girlfriend?
Too busy.
I like a man in uniform, you see. Did you see that man running and rushing? What happened? You lost your Caribbean movement? Hold it, you know. Make you got a warm heart. I always have a warm heart.
It's hard for girls these days. They don't know how to behave.
There was only one sort of woman went in pubs in my day.
Boring, though.
Taboo, a heady blend of exotic fruits, white wine and vodka. Taboo, break a few.
Yes, Mrs. Shipley?
You don't know how Bournemouth and Wrexham are doing, do you?
There is now a brand new football game.
Wigan 3, Macclesfield 3.
And it kicks off with a £2 million jackpot. Buy a £1 match ticket from any national lottery machine and you'll receive 11 randomly chosen matches.
Scunthorpe, Mansfield. What do you reckon, Sydney?
If 8 of your matches are score draws, you could be one of our jackpot winners.
1, Dumbarton 1.
Saturdays will never be the same. Vernon's Easy Play. Every week, it's a whole new ball game.
Look, shall I try those on?
No, no.
Look, Rose. This one.
I want to go for a cup of coffee.
What do you think? And this is the first one.
The first one? It's the 10th one.
And also,
The news of the world. It's what Sundays are all about.
At the MFI Homeworks half-price sale, there's never been a better time to give your kitchen and bedroom the works. But hurry, some offers end August 19th.
New McLean's, the toothbrush. Developed using the latest toothbrush technology. McLean's, the toothbrush. Designed to clean.